What'd you make?
The second.
We got something for you.
Oh my god. What's happening? Oh my god. Thank you.
What'd they get? What'd you get?
Mommy.
Don't cry.
Thank you.
Here, hold us.
Oh. Sorry.
Thank you.
That's you, Kim.
Oh.
Were you crying, Kim? Show us, Kim.
This is Joy.
You're making me cry. Show us, Kim. Were you crying, honey?
I'm serious. I'm
Yeah. You cried.
Who's this?
It's my mom.
I
You-
messaged your sister on Facebook, and she sent me the pictures.
This is the bouquet I like.
And they've got this. This goes on his suit, in his pocket, I guess, whatever.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, that's why you guys are here. Oh, what's going on? And I told them you didn't tell me they're coming.
I didn't know they were coming. I knew my sister was coming.
Oh, thank you.
You like it.
Yeah.
We'll keep it forever.
I'm all ugly. I just got home from work. What?
So happy. My sister-in-law here.
Hi, how are you? Good.
They made me cry.
Show her the picture.
See? Yeah.
Hello! Magandang sister!
Hi. Hi.
These are nice.
What is? You like these?
Yeah, and the flowers too.
And on the other side? Ugh, I hate these.
I like it.
I hate cactuses. No, you don't.
Oh, this we have a lot. This in the Philippines. This is common in the Philippines.
Why?
I don't know.
Hey, look at a house. Close me in. Oh, I can live in here. So much space for activities.
So many activities!
This would be like a nice house in Tondo, huh?
Crazy.
What?
Which one would you like? This one or that one? Look, dude, this is gray.
Oh yeah, that one's a nice color. But yeah, actually this would be nice for like my tools and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. 400. This one is 800. This one is 800. Okay.
I like that one better.
Gray one?
The big one.
Oh, is this the one we wanted?
Oh yeah, this is.
$42. Yeah, they're baby right now, but yeah, that's it.
Yeah, these are
Blue cypress. So they grow
so
to be a hedge. Like you keep trim them, and they'll be a hedge.
We have in the front?
I don't know. It looks like it.
No, it's different.
I kind of think it is. No, it's not like this. It's like this.
Like that?
Yeah, it's not this for sure. Do they have fruit trees? What is this? It's a shade tree, it says. Wonder how many years until that's a good shade? Maybe 2 or 3 years? Oh, here we go.
Yeah, I think this one.
Oh no, it's not. This is the one you could like twist and. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one for the hedge. This one. And they're $42. That's not that bad. They'll grow in like. How long do you think?
It says 1 year.
What did it say?
1 year guarantee.
Yeah, those are cool. $40 each. How many? You could buy a handful up at the beginning. Hey, it's real. Is it real stone? Yeah, it's real stone. It's nice.
This will go to the plant I showed you.
They don't have bamboo. I like bamboo.
This looks like that.
This tree looks kind of Asian-y. Fern pine. Oh, there you are. Couldn't see you. They have the misters on. Huh? Yeah, they're for to cool down the trees and the customers.
There, that one or there?
That one?
Right.
Or the one next to it? Yeah, looks nice. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, this is for when you have aquarium?
Yeah, we're gonna have a nice fish pond when I get there. Water pumps. These are little small ones. I'm gonna need a big water pump.
These are real or fake?
Real. Oh, look at this. The ones that catch the flies and stuff.
Really? Feed bugs. Really? It's real?
Yeah. If you have a fly lands in there, it'll close and eat it.
It's fake.
No, it's real. Real news. Oh yeah, the fire pit's kind of like ours, but yeah, we already have one. You like the furniture in here?
Yeah. It would be nice if we had this in the backyard.
We will soon, very soon.
Look at the picture.
Looks nice. Rattan. I don't want rattan though.
I want to touch one.
What the heck?
That's interesting.
Oh, it's actually soft. I thought it wasn't gonna be soft.
I want pillows. These are modern designs.
Look, they have the lights. Oh yeah. It is nice. It has like a little thing right here to hold stuff. Barbecues. Okay, where are the rake tools and stuff like that? I think they're on this aisle. Yes, this aisle. Which one do I need? I think this one, maybe it's a candidate for sure. Maybe this one. Oh, they're like the same thing.
This one?
Oh, not that
This
one.
is like for the devil.
Yeah, and you're wearing red. Hold it up. Take a picture.
That is for.
It's yours because you're wearing red. Thumbnail. Gonna go pay now because I got a lot of work to do at home. Try it out. Can we go home now?
No,
Why?
we still have other stuff to buy.
What else do we need?
Walmart, grocery.
Groceries. Okay, let's make a pit stop at Walmart.